Firstly, we must thank God for carrying us through today, because we started with, went to bed in the wee hours of this morning because we finished late yesterday. We were playing very timid in the first set, but we regrew, get back ourselves in the game, and we turned it around in the second set. And the tiebreaker now, we just play clean tennis as Kori would normally say. Yes.
It just started off sluggish. Opponents just raced out and just maintained their lead, but we managed to settle down a little bit in the second set. And by the time we got to the third set tiebreaker, we closed it down.
So we came up with a game plan. The game plan was working fine. We won the first set very comfortable, 6-3. But I think in the second set, they got a little bit more aggressive and we did not respond in kind to their aggression.
Rennex?
Yeah, I mean, I've been looking at it. I think really that's what it was. We started coming to the net and we just didn't have enough to match that intensity. Second time running. This is the second time it's happened to us. We're going to fix it.